Hello, my name is Anmol Singh and I am the part of the marketing committee of the Supreme Computers company. And in committee there are 6 members and their name is Akash, Sahil, Hek, Ria and Nishima. And I am describing the introduction. Supreme Computer is a locally incorporated company established in 2004. Since its inspection, we have grown consistently, and today we offer a wide range of computing services, products, and solutions. We trade as Supreme Computers under registration number L6598687, and VAT number is 775889629, and income tax number is 753866901259. And moreover, get your laptop or desktop fixed quickly and dine right with guarantee satisfaction. We can fix all computer viruses, malware, and other programs that I will make your computer infected. And moreover, our company services are uh, present in every corner of the world.
It's Nishima, employer of Supreme Computers. Today, here I am explaining why there is need of computer repair and its maintenance, and what problems should we have to face if we do not take care of them properly. So, it is hard to imagine our lives without computers. For most of us, the days are few and far between when we do not use our computers to pay bills, to play games, to surf the internet, and for doing various activities. Since computers are such an integral part of our lives, it is crucial that we take care of them by having them properly maintained. Here are 5 great reasons why regular computer maintenance is a good idea. First is enhancing the software efficiency. So, our computers may slow down over time, which means that software package is getting old. Since this change happens gradually, your computer simply gets used to it and thinks that it is normal. But having regularly scheduled maintenance on your computer will clean out any issue and have your software running perfectly again. Second is prevention of data loss. Although data loss is uncommon, but when your computer starts running slowly or begin having an occasional hiccup, it can require a system reboot that can ultimately result in loss of data. However, keeping your computer maintained will lessen the likelihood of these instances and keep your data safe and secure for when you need to access it. Third one is prevention against viruses. It seems like no matter how often we sweep our computers or run viruses check on them, our computers are still vulnerable to harmful viruses. There are a number of viruses already out there just waiting to infect the computers. Some are meant to be daily annoyance and slow down the processing time of computers, but others can infect entire operating system. When these occur either at home or a business, it can be costly to fix and can even cost a company money in a way such as loss of productivity. Fourth one is early detection of issue. Small issues can crop up at any time, even when your computer is new. Nipping them in the bud during a regular maintenance session can save a lot of headaches and when computer starts to age. Last but not the least, for the better speed of computer. Nothing can be more frustrating than a computer that processes too slowly. But as most of us can attest, over time our computers get closed up with files and everything gets disorganized and fragmented. The result is slow processing times. Computer maintenance tech are experts at running speed and optimization checks that can pinpoint issues and keep your computer running at an optimal speed. In brief, computers can be temperamental. As we all know, a small issue can become very huge before we know it. So, having regular computer maintenance is very important. Also, there are so many viruses waiting to infect computer as I mentioned before and can slow down the processing time of computer. So, by maintaining it in a good way, we can ensure that antivirus software is up to date and working properly. It can secure the data and keep them safe for when we need to access it. In brief, problems which can be faced if we do not take care of them properly. So, some basic reasons are computer gets too hot, our hard drive is full, our RAM can't take it anymore, computer contains viruses, the operating systems can be too old, it takes too much time for processing as the viruses which can detect our computer will slow down its processing. So, that's why these are some problems which we face if we do not maintain our computer properly.
Hello, folks. My name is Sahil Kumar, and I am one of the founding members in this prestigious firm, Supreme Computers. And I will be speaking about the goals and objectives of our firm in today's competitive world, where everyone wants to be the best and on top of their game. Everyone have a future plan, a future goal, an objective what they want to fulfill, and so do we. And our goal is to make it big in this business, to make our firm one of the largest and most trusted in the whole country and even the whole world. A firm our customers can trust. We want to be that name. We want to be that company where where it is no brainer for people to come and make deals with us to get services done. In order to achieve this, we'll need to win the trust of our customers, because trust is the one thing that make it. Trust cannot be bought. It can only be built with the services that we provide, with how good we are with our services, how good we are with our customer satisfaction. Just to be that one company that everyone trust and trust their electronic computers with. So one of our main objective is to keep up to date with the technology. Technology is advancing at an exponential rate, and to keep it up with, to make people explore new technologies, it is one of the most important goal of our firm, that we make people to explore and to find new technologies that make their lives, their works, their businesses more precise, accurate, and optimal. And also to provide improved and time to time services, that every time we give our customers something new, something different that they can explore, so that every time the things are not the same, that people have something new to look up to. And providing services at an affordable price is also another aspect that would help us to win the trust of our customers and make our family a lot bigger. And when we are able to pull all these things off with almost perfection, it would help us find new customers because of our reviews and other people's suggestion, because we can provide pretty much the customer satisfaction that everyone um, promises, but most of the firms are incompetent to provide that. But we can guarantee it, that what we show is what we do and what you get. And also, one must be on top of new developments in software and with their customers. For example, if a computer hard drive crashes on the eve of a big business event, you know how essential timely services are to computer businesses. Keeping in mind the audience is also a good strategy. Marketing is key to running a thriving computer in which the priority is customer satisfaction. We can satisfy customers by giving them quality services at a reasonable cost. When all these aspects are combined is what you get Supreme Computer. And we mainly focuses on to provide people with quality services and up to date technology so that they could also explore what is on the market. So next time, if you want your PC to be upgraded, contact us, let us know, and we guarantee you we will get you what you need exactly. Thank you, and now my partner take over.
Hello friends, my name is Akashdeep Singh. As my previous fellow described the goals and objective of the basic computer repair and maintenance, now I am going to describe the tips regarding computer maintenance. As we know, today world is a digital world. Everyone wants to work easily and conveniently. The basic thing for the digital period is computer. We all know it. Nothing could be more annoying than a computer running too slowly. So that's why there are some tips which are very crucial and which I want to share with you for your defense of your computer. As we know, updation is a very crucial step to run the device accurately. These steps improve the stability of your software and remove the outdated feature. Second key is unplug to avoid charging, which means unplug the device which is fully charged. This tip also increase the life of your computer and prevent your computer to get hot. Next is antivirus scanning, which is a supportive part for maintaining your computer and avoid the hurdles when you operate anything. Moreover, viruses also damage the data in your computer. This key also remove the viruses. Fourth point is making the updation in password, which give help to defense your personal information from unauthorized access. Next to it is uninstalling unwanted files or programs, which can help your computer in various ways. By uninstalling these unused files, this will add the hard drive space, increase the computer speed, which everyone wants. Next is organized codes. The only thing more frustrating than dealing with long, confusing cables is getting them all mixed up and tangled in the process. Few tips related to organize the code like color coding cables, cable clip. Actually, wire management is made simple when you attach cable clip to our desk wall or floor. Organizing your data is also a very essential process. It's easy to let your computer data organization run and safely. Best method for organizing computer files or data: skip the desktop, don't use too many folders, use descriptive names and so on. Further process is backup. It is a process of creating a copy of the data on your computer that you use for recovery in case your original data is lost. This is also helpful for to recover copies of older files if we deleted it. Last but not the least is update device drivers are an essential piece of software that make distinct hardware component work smoothly with your computer. When these drivers are properly updated, your computer will run smoothly and improve the performance of your work on your computer, and any operation which you run on your computer will also work accurately. So that's are the tips which I would like to share with you, and I share for the defense of your computer. Now my further partner overtake and describe the scope of this topic.
Hello everyone, I am Mehdeep Singh. As my fellow described about the goals and objectives, now it's my turn to throw light on the scope of work. Firstly, we will look at the duration of contract. Duration of contract is mainly the period of time for which we have to sign the contract, and before the expiration of that date, we have to accomplish the task. Moving ahead, towards the technical details. Maintenance services shall consist of preventive and breakdown maintenance of all the organization-related IT hardware assets and network infrastructures. It should take corrective and remedial maintenance services to set the reported malfunctioning of IT-related infrastructure at the specified locations. These services to be rendered are as follows: help desk, support services. Help desk will be center point of all contact for all user related issues. The maintenance company shall monitor complaints through their web-based applications or a suitable software. For example, call receiving from users by telephone, email, or any convenient method including text messages, logging and issue of complaint, single point of contact for all the concerns during the duration of contact. Following reports shall be emailed to the organization's coordinator as per below frequency. Daily reports. These include call pending reports with detail of complaint number, location, date and time logged in, number of days pending, reasons for delay in resolving. Call resolved on previous day with the details of complaint number, date and login time, resolve engineer name, item sent for repair, replacement with relevant details, item received for repair or replacement with relevant details, number of calls received, and number of calls resolved. Weekly reports. This must include pending complaints beyond specified time limits, monthly or quarterly reports, calls delayed by number of days beyond specified time limit, analysis of types of calls. Moving ahead towards the desktop maintenance. Under desktop maintenance, the maintenance company is required to provide services listed below. Maintenance support of existing desktops. Maintenance includes repair of the components and replacement of unrepairable components. Checking status of desktop based on the user complaints and taking remedial action in case of problem. Download updates, patches by Microsoft and other upgrades all the computers on the networks. Moving ahead towards the server maintenance. Maintenance support of the existing server. Maintenance include repair of the components and replacement of an unrepairable component. In case of replacement, the replaced component must be branded and genuine. Installation and reload support for OS like MS, Windows, Linux, etc. Scanner printer maintenance. Maintenance support of the existing scanner printer. Maintenance include repair of the components and replacement of unrepairable components. In case of replacement, the replacement components must be branded and genuine. Installation of drivers software for its operations. Network infrastructure and maintenance to provide services and support to ensure trouble-free availability of network facilities to all the users, managing all patch panels, switches, cables, etc. in the network, monitoring the network to determine capacity usage and escalating as required, identifying LAN faults and getting them resolved, installing necessary equipment to connect computers on the local area network, repair, replace faulty LAN cables. And at the last, we will look at the preventive maintenance. It will be responsibility of the vendor to keep the computers and system in full working condition. All the defects related to the virus or operating system or drivers are also included in the scope of work. Some of the maintenance routine covered in the preventive measures are described. Regular and thorough cleaning of the system from inside, cleaning and lubrication of all connectors and contacts, carrying out the head cleaning of CD-ROM, DVD drive and floppy disk drive by the head cleaning disk and the liquid cleaner, cleaning and lubricating of the door mechanism of the FDD with lubricating the grounding strap of the HDD and the head slider rails of the printer with the same lubricant, updating of antivirus software as provided by the office and keeping PCs virus free. Thanks, and other information about the budget of the project will be described by my fellows.
As my match told about the scope of work, now I am Riya Bansal, one of the member of Supreme Company, describes about the budget of our company. Firstly, the overheating problem is solved just under $100. Symptom of this problem is computer crashes or freezes. We can repair it by clean out air vents or put a filtered material over the inhalation vent or update BIOS. The next one is whenever any device faces system error problem, it is solved in $150. It happens due to the notebook would not boot up and solved by remove the hard disk drive and replace it into an external enclosure or run check disk. The next one is computer viruses problem. It is repaired it in only $100. The cause of this problem is excessive pop use or slow downloads. The solution of this problem is to use free virus scans. The next one is the slow hard drive is sought out in just $200. The main symptom of slow hard drive company is excessive program load times and slow file transfers. Our experts repairs by doing disk defragmentation. The next laptop problem is battery wouldn't hold a charge. This problem is solved in very reasonable price, that is only $50. The prominent system is your notebook runs only a few minutes when unplugged. It is solved by battery replacement. The tip-top advice for this problem is never run the laptop plugged in on a fully charged battery. It will do more harm to your battery in the long run. Besides it, our Supreme Company provide additional offers. First one is crazy occasion offers, in which our company provides up to 70% off on repaired products. The next one is after repairing, home delivery will be in free of cost for our customers. So this is our company proposal about basic computer repair and maintenance as we aspire to achieve greatness. Thank you.
So, it's a small presentation presented by our company named Supreme Computers. Our experts are Nishima, Riya Bansal, Akashdeep Singh, Mehakdeep Singh, Anmolpreet Singh and Sahil Kumar. Thank you so much.